I decided to do a short video on the RevTech 100 cubic inch V-twin. Since information on RevTech is kind of hard to find online, and you're probably watching this video because you found the same thing. I'll assume you're a hands-on type of biker and won't go into a lot of detail as you understand things like how to drain the oil, basic shit like that. RevTech, like most, recommend you warm up your bike before changing any of the fluids. So the fun part of any oil change, go for a little ride to warm her up. Now on the RevTech 100 transmission, you will find the transmission fill hole on the front of the transmission. All it takes is an Allen wrench to loosen that up and take it out. The filler plug will have a dipstick attached to it. If it does not, you got the wrong hole, and you know how upsetting that can be. Just make sure you have the tranny warmed up and the bike is upright or leaning to the right so most of the oil drains out. The transmission drain is a hole plug on the bottom right side of the transmission. Right there. This one takes us Torx to remove, on mine anyways. What size, you ask? Whichever one fits is always the best. Okay, I told you this is going to be basic. On this transmission, it took about 3/4 of a quart to fill. As with all fluids, don't overfill. That's a bad thing, and I'll have to tell your mom about it tonight when I see her. If this is looking like something you don't want to do yourself, there's a motorcycle shop in Fullerton, California called Lucky's. They're really chill, know their shit, and deal with RevTech. You'll usually see some RevTech bikes around the shop. Always done good by me and others I know who have gone there. Okay, continuing on and going down under, you'll find the engine oil drain plug right around here. This is also an Allen head hole plug. Remove the plug and out comes the hot oil all over your hand. My bike took about 2 quarts of oil initially. I'm going to ride her around a bit, recheck the oil tank, which is right up top here. The oil can drain plug is right here and lets you remove all the dregs in the oil can. Replace the oil drain plugs and refill at the top of the oil can. Easy. Alright, draining and replacing the oil in the primary is like most every Harley. Remove the derby cover to fill it up. The drain, also a hole plug, is on the bottom of the primary derby cover, right around here. I hope this helps you out some. A like and a subscribe is always cool. If you have any RevTech resources, please share them down in the comments section below, and maybe help out some other fellow bikers. Well, let me leave you with some drone footage of Orange County. Enjoy!